Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, anybody who finds Professor Yemi Osinbajo's dignity, please return it back to number 2 Aso Rock. Guys, I bring you this. Buhari is tolerant. He allows chapel to be located behind his kitchen. And this is the headline attributed to Osinbajo. So again, Buhari is tolerant. He allowed chapel to be located behind his kitchen. And this is a comment being made by the Vice President of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osinbajo. So now let's see what the VP has to say. Vice President Yemi Osinbajo on Sunday described President Muhammadu Buhari as an embodiment of religious tolerance. Osinbajo, who spoke at the opening of the General Assembly of the Nigerian Supreme Council for Islamic Affairs in Abuja, said the president is so tolerant he allowed the Villa Chapel to be situated behind his kitchen. The vice president, according to a statement issued by his senior special assistant on media and publicity, Laolu Akonde, urged Nigerians to emulate the president and be religious tolerant. Every Sunday, my family and over 100 Christians attend service in the chapel at the villa. The chapel is located in the premises of the president and his family. It is located a few seconds away from the First Lady's kitchen. Sometimes when I see the president on a Sunday morning, he asks me whether the service is already over or I am escaping from the service. This is the sort of tolerance that we need in a multi-ethnic, multi-religious society, and it is the duty of leaders to show this sort of example. So now this is just the ridiculousness now that we're getting from this Yemi Osinbajo character. Anytime and every time you hear from this guy and about this guy, you just despair. This is a guy that's been humiliated thoroughly throughout the course of this year. Every opportunity they have, they koboko him and they ridicule him and they subject him to all this manner of debasement. And what does he do? He still rolls on the ground and ask them to tickle his belly. No, it's just a ludicrous nonsense. And by the way, the president Muhammadu Buhari did not allow anything to be located anywhere. That chapel, that whatever it is, has been there long before Muhammadu Buhari became the president of Nigeria, and it will be there long after Buhari leaves that place, because I think that chapel was actually built by Obasanjo, if I'm not mistaken. So that chapel has been there for a very long time, long before Buhari ever had any consideration or of any realistic expectation of becoming the Nigerian president. So now this guy, of course, now is seizing on this opportunity to roll on the floor for these people again, the Malamis, and say, I am loyal, sir. And this, of course, is now even ridiculing him more, because, of course, we all know that that chapel had always been there. So why is he now saying that Malam Buhari is allowing the chapel to be located next to his kitchen? The chapel has always been there. They did not build the chapel there, and they cannot ask them to move it or demolish it. Woe betide. Even an extremist like Buhari would balk at asking them to go and demolish the chapel in Aso Rock Villa. So I'm not quite sure what ridiculousness this Osinbajo is talking about, but of course, any opportunity to roll on the floor to the Malamis and show that he's loyal. Maybe they are now putting their feet on his head. I don't know what is going on there. Conversations in the comment section. What this guy is now saying is just utterly ridiculous, but what is your reading of it? Come share thoughts with me in the comment section, but before you do this, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of the general presentation of this vice president of Nigeria. What is your reading of it? Come tell me all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join you in the comment section, but here I say peace.